All right. We're opening up another box of Topps Baseball Series 2, 2022. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, this is the first half of what we got. It's not bad. Majority is Angels. That's weird. Got like 3 Yankees. A few folks that I like. And everything. Let's see the second part. Alright then, this is the second part. It's not bad. It's kind of rare. I didn't get no dupes. I think I got only like 1 or 2. Maybe this might be the half a set. It's not bad. I think it comes with 99 cards, but it's not bad. Let's get ready for the inserts. Not bad, baby. It's not bad. I like Alec Bohm. He alright. Cinderella, whatever his name is. Miguel Cabrera. I'm gonna keep that one. Hall of Famer. Jose Alvarez. Carlos Garcia. JD Martinez. And Ryan Sandberg. I used to collect all his calls when I was younger. Alright, y'all. This is the first batch. It's alright. Alright. See you later. Deuces.